Making our customers happy is our #1 priority, so when one of them writes us an awesome 5-star review, well, we love to share it. And here's what our customer had to say in our latest Rave review online. Our staff works hard to deliver top quality service and optimal value. It's just one more bit of evidence that we're on the right track with our company-wide emphasis on quality and client satisfaction. But don't take their word for it. We're confident that you'll love the value and attention to detail that our team delivers. We hope you enjoyed our small section of the internet today. We look forward to talking with you.